Okay, folks, so we have a Briggs and Stratton Lawn Boy push behind lawnmower. My kid the other day was mowing and got a mooring rope for the boat. Somehow wrapped around the propeller while he was mowing and immediately sheared off, most likely, the flywheel key. And then this video, I'm going to show you how to hopefully change this flywheel key with relative ease. What you'll need is what I've got here. So first off, we got the flywheel key, the replacement part. It is there, and the actual key is very small. It's just a little piece of aluminum. You also need, for my engine, you'll need a 3/8 socket, a 5/16 socket. They all should be relatively the same, and the big one for the big center crankshaft bolt, which is, I believe, a 15/16. Yeah, 15/16. That's it. So we're going to get started, and of course you can use a Phillips head screwdriver, or I like to use my trusty impact drill. So the first thing we're going to do is going to remove these cover screws. I just take this off. It slides, mine slides right out. It has a little hole for the where you slide it out at. Then you expose the rest of the engine. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put on the impact. First, we're going to move the top of this. There's just 3 bolts up here. To remove the gas tank is what we're doing, actually. And then there's one on the side of the engine that's kind of a little bit harder to get to, but not really. Let's see if I can get in there. Oh, this is a little bit bigger of a... I forgot this one's a little bit bigger of a nut. Has a bigger nut on it. So I'll need my 3/16 or 3/8. Pull that off. And we should be able to remove the gas tank now. With little, just set it to the side. No reason to unhook all the gas. Then we want to remove the oil dipstick. And I believe it is still the smaller of them. Yeah. I've just gotten a hand tug because I took it apart earlier. And you'll just pull. Let me show that again. So you'll just take and grab a hold of the dipstick and just pull it out. Be careful, there's a little oil that'll come out. And if you tip it back over, remember the fact that your oil will drain out very quickly. So next thing we need to do is remove the cover, this metal cover. It's pretty easy. Bolt here. Oop, drop the bolt. Bolt here. And then there's one bolt right back here that you pull out. Just lift this up. There you go. Just like the gas tank. Just kind of move it to the side. There's no reason to remove all of it from the cords. We'll take your, got my 1/2" socket. It's retrofitted into a 3/8 because I couldn't find my 1/2". But take and place that on the bolt. Remove it. May I have to put a little bustle behind this. Move the flywheel cup. Just remove that, set it to the side. I'm going to put this back on there just to protect. Protect the threads for a minute. I am going to take, so I do not have a crankshaft puller, but an easy way to do this is you can just give it a good little, I've got a little rubber mallet, a little tap, and then I'm going to have to get a metal hammer and screwdriver. Hold on, you can excuse my messy shop.